Part 3 is coding the second function, which is going to require a couple new global variables as well. We're going to bring in variable x, set it initially to 0. Variable position is going to take each letter and move it through the position. So it too will start at 0. And variable L has been L in my example. I'm going to change it to variable size equals, and it looks at which the very first message is at the 0 position. Just so you know, this is 0 position, this is 1, this is 2. And it looks at the length of that word. So variable size equals the very first position dot length. So it's taking the length of hello class. Now, inside the ticker function, we need to, at this point, actually take care of setting up the bodies. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that one as well, because we need to tell the program where to look. And what we're going to do to set up the body is we're going to use a form and just create a text box for the information to go inside. So we're going to create a form. We just need to give the form a name. So we'll call it form 1. And the form, and then we're going to create within it an input type equals text, so that makes a text box. We need to give it a name. We're going to give it ticker field. We'll call it ticker field, and the size, we'll make it 48 in case we have a long message. That's all we had to do to set up the body. Pretty simple. So we go back up here, and this is where I'll pause the video then after we set this, because the rest is kind of weird. And we need to use our document identifiers again. Walk through this process. So it's document dot our form name, form 1, dot our text box, which is ticker field, dot value equals. Now, we're going to have it continue to add on to itself. So it's going to pull the current message, which we're going to, since we have multiple messages, instead of using 0 here, we're going to replace it with x. So message of x dot, and then we're going to use substring command. And all you need to know about substring is that it controls from the whole string of text here, hello class, what we see. We always want to see the beginning, so it's going to be starting at 0 and then moving to position. And then to make it look like a ticker, we're going to add on a little underscore to keep it moving. And that is the beginning of how our ticker is actually going to work. So if we preview it right now, all we're going to see is just the asterisk, because we haven't got the program to move through yet, because we're going to use timers next to do that.